I think the best way to demo CurationSoft is just to look at a post that was created with it. The post that we're looking at right now was created in about 25 minutes, and the idea behind this post is just teaching people what content marketing is. A lot of people who are thinking about doing this type of marketing are curious as to how it works and what it is and how it can benefit their company, and it's also a really valuable keyword to our business as well. This is the post, and you'll see at the top great recent articles on the topic of content marketing. Above that, a little definition, my own definition of content marketing. So here is original content. Down here is a note by me, original content, and in between is some curated content. And where I got these was here in CurationSoft. I also have some YouTube videos queued up here that I found and put here in the bottom of the post as well. 2 leaders, experts on the topic of content curation. So my idea behind the post was, let's look at content marketing first because it's the umbrella under which content curation sits. So let's start with these videos that I put into the post first. One is Steve Rosenbaum, the other is an interview with Ann Handley from Marketing Profs. They'll be recognized on this post by readers as leading experts on the topic of curation. Steve Rosenbaum wrote Curation Nation. So these are important viewpoints to get across. These are important people to follow. And where I got those was here in CurationSoft. I did a search in YouTube and I used the keywords curation and content marketing. You can see I'm on page 1 of the search results. So I found really good stuff just on page 1. It helped to cut down the time. I knew that these 2 were really important voices to have in a post like this. So I just grabbed them and dragged and dropped them into the post. I'll show you an example of that now. So this is how it looks. Very common for anyone with WordPress, although CurationSoft works with any platform, with any editor such as this. So you can use this as a drag and drop and discovery tool for just about anything that has a WYSIWYG editor or an HTML editor. Here's what the HTML looks like. So I want to start a new post and kind of recreate the one that we were looking at just now. Okay, I had my post idea. I wanted to relate content curation with content marketing, of course, and I want to write a post quickly and get it done with very, very high quality, and I want to also score for the keyword content marketing. In fact, I want to score for the long tail. What is content marketing? And then, of course, I did my introductory paragraph, my definition, to tell them what I'm going to tell them. We highly recommend you also tell them what you told them as a bottom or exit paragraph, and do any kind of notations or commentary in the middle on any of the articles or videos that you use in order to clarify why you use them and how they fit into the idea behind your post. So the definition was the first thing, and then I pulled up CurationSoft and went to Google Blog Search, and I just did a search because my first section was what is content marketing. So I'm going to hit go, bam, that's exactly how fast, there's no editing there, that's how fast the results come up. And they come up with the latest posts, and I was really excited to see a blog that I follow by Dan Schawbel from Personal Branding Blog talking about 2 key content marketing and social media ingredients. Awesome. And I went and checked it out. You just click on this and you can go straight to the article and check it out, what you need to do. So here's the article. I loved it, loved the advice. It's short, concise, and it's right on target with what I want to use. So I go back to my post. I switch to HTML view here on this tab. I grab this, drag it, drop it. Now this is all HTML code that comes with it, but what it does is it tells your editor everything that you would have had to do if you were copying and pasting from every single site that you wanted to include in your post. It takes a long, long time, and one of the biggest driving factors of why CurationSoft exists today is to save time. So let's take a real quick look at how that looks. 2 key content marketing and social media ingredients, and you are marketing your humans. Here's an excerpt from the post itself. There's my first piece of curated content within this post. Now that was the only one that I found in the first 10 results that I'm really interested in. Remember that these are the most recent posts, so they're not going to automatically be the best posts. You have to check them out. You have to vet them. That's what the human filter is all about in curation. That's what makes a really good curated post. I recognize top ranked blog, socialize and optimize with content marketing at CES, Okay, now this isn't what I used in my actual final post, but just as a demonstration. Let's say I check that out. I trust Top Rank Blog and socialize and optimize, drag it in here, bam, and there it is. And as you can see, it's drag and drop easy. It took me a lot longer to show you how to do this than it does to do it. Now let's look at videos. I'm going to go over here and go to YouTube. And remember I said on the first page these two came up right away, and I wanted to use them because they're leading authorities on the topic. So I go back to HTML and I just drag and drop once again. There goes Ann Handley. Go to the very end here and put in Steve Rosenbaum. This isn't in the order of the original post, but just to show you. So I've dragged those two videos in there. Let's check them out. Alright, there's Ann Handley and there's Steve Rosenbaum. Excellent. And what I like to do, depending on the width of your blog's content area, I like to center my videos. So I just put the cursor right after the video and click on center, and we're done. Same thing here, center, get CurationSoft out of the way here, do a preview. See what this thing looks like. Okay, so here's the preview. Here's what I just done in just minutes. I found these two articles in the blog search, and I found these two videos in the video search. I dragged and dropped them over, and the only thing left to do with a post now is to fill out your information. Remember, on this post I had a definition up here, and I put a good title of the section, and this is a three section actually post, and these are all blog posts on the topic of content marketing, and these are all blog posts on content curation in relation to content marketing. And these are two experts' videos on curation. This is a well-curated post. It should be a perfect resource for anybody who wants to learn about content marketing in the broad sense and how curation fits into that. That's basically it. CurationSoft allows you to drag and drop any content that you find on the web, curate it very easily, and be able to quickly find the very best of the best content that's out there. That's CurationSoft in a nutshell. You can imagine how much time something like this can save you as a blogger who's already doing something on the web, but you're doing mostly primarily original content and you need a break. Or someone who's looking to get into this, instead of having a whole bunch of different tools that you have to use and a lot of copying, a lot of pasting, a lot of editing, a lot of searching on different platforms, you can do it all within CurationSoft and put together posts like this. Very, very nice posts, very, very quickly. And now you can start to post more than once a day if you like, more than twice or 3 times a week. However you're doing your content now, this will help you speed up the process, allowing you to go after more keyword topics and topics that your readers are interested in without having to hire staff, without having to outsource everything. And when you want to outsource, you just give everyone in your organization a copy of CurationSoft, and it's just as easy for them to start using as it is for you.